Right, today we're here at Kuang Waterfall. We just got a tuk-tuk for about £5.80 each. It's over an hour and he's going to wait it and then take us back as well. So cheap as chips. And from the pictures it looks absolutely beautiful. I'll let you know how much the ticket is because we're going to go buy one now and then head in.
That must be electric as well. Yeah, it is.
No purpose.
Yeah, 60,000 to get in, which is about £2. I'm finding it hard having to convert the lakh or kip to pounds. It was a lot easier with baht in Thailand, but because it goes into like the hundreds of thousands and millions quite regularly, and they're all notes as well, there's no coins. It's quite difficult to get your head around. Honestly amazing. Not even seen a lot of it so far. But you've gone a hiking trail. I don't know if you call it a hiking trail, nature trail around. There's like animals like rescued bears and stuff like that. And then I think eventually we get to a part of the waterfall that you can swim in. And it's a pretty hot day today, so that's going to be lovely. Whoa! Check this out. So yeah, that's it. It's definitely worth coming to. You should do it. If there's a group of you, you can arrange for a tuk-tuk to take you there, stay there, and come back. Ours about 150k each, which is like £5.60. But yeah, do it for sure. Probably in the vlog. See you in the next one.